Oh my god, I just realized I forgot to turn on the camera. I've been, talking about 5 minutes. Samsula. I've been like away for 7 months and I don't even remember how to turn on a camera. Oh my god, my life is a mess. Ah non, j'en peux plus. Non, sérieusement, merde. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to me because I was away for the last 7 months, but I wasn't on the Ban Island. I was on the Make It Rain Island. Like, I wish I could make rain money in my pocket, but no, it's just out of my pocket. So like water, whatever. So yeah, for the last 7 months, Babsy goes vintage, Babsy went vintage, Babsy went spending, Babsy went fighting, Babsy, tried to find the best and the most amazing vintage bags for her collection, for my collection. It's me, Babsy, so yeah. And I have to say that you guys will have a lot of Chanel unboxings here on this channel. I'm sorry, like, disclaimer here, sorry, it's gonna be a lot. I know a lot of people just don't like unboxings, but yeah, I did it again. And yeah, I have to say that I realized I was a Chanel girl, I was a vintage Chanel girl, and I really put a lot of effort and energy and time, a lot of time. I think the main thing is time and money too, because have to pay for them, but especially a lot of time because I really wanted to find the best bags, of course, always trying to find the best deals. And yeah, it's not always easy. It's been harder and harder to find deals since, I would say, since COVID. I would say since COVID, because with COVID, the brands just increased their prices. And yeah, the vintage and pre-loved market went crazy too. So it's really hard now. It's not impossible. I've seen some really nice deals, for example, on classic black classic flaps, and it's not impossible, but you really have to put a lot of time if you want to find the bag of your dreams, or if you just want to be open and just see what will come to you. And I'm really trying to find and yeah, complete my collection. I'm really looking for colors. I'm really looking for a fabric and materials, like different. I still like leather. My favorite leather is lambskin, but if I can find something, like, no spoilers, but suede, jersey, tweed. I don't have any tweed Chanel bags, so that's, and yeah, whatever. So to start my coming back and to start this vintage unboxing series, I will start with a Chanel unboxing, of course. I picked this one because she's pretty, she's vintage, she's a girl, and she's for summer, and she is pretty, but she's not going to give you a heart attack. I have some bags that when I look at them, I'm like, someone take my my blood pressure and my heart beat, so just make sure I'm not over 190, because otherwise I will have a heart attack, because they are just too pretty. And I'm like, okay, I scored them, they are mine, but I still can't believe they are mine. So yeah, let's start with something low key, so you can like drink and eat while watching this video without dying. So she is, sorry, a little something I was not looking for. I was open. I think I'm really open. Like, I'm married, but I'm open for bags, and I'm just letting them come to me. And this one came to me end of 2020, just before Christmas. So let me introduce to you, sorry, English is always really bad, this beautiful, vintage, magnifique, new, vintage Chanel bag. I will just try to stay a little bit away from the light. Okay, let me just turn it a little bit. Whoops, I just can't. Okay, so welcome to the family. So this is, I always like to say the name of the bag, but I think this bag doesn't really have a name. At least I didn't find it for the moment. But this is a beautiful vintage bag from the 90s. The sticker is still inside. It starts with 435 or 453, something like this. So this is from the 90s. I will write here the year because I don't know by heart. And yeah, so as you can see, the shape is a little bit not like a triangle, but almost. And you have this little flap, the turn lock, of course, and at the back you have a pocket, which I love, especially now with the whole pandemic thing. We always have to have masks and everything, and it's really easy to have a back pocket like here, like this. Let me just take my phone, and I have a new YouTuber follower, Veronica D'Angelo. But thank you for following, I appreciate. So I have iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's the biggest one, and this definitely fits here, which is perfect. I always have my phone on my you can put here like this, but it's not amazing, so just like this and it's perfect. I always have my phone in my hands, but it's always great to have a pocket that can fit your big iPhone. So bye. So coming back to the specs of this bag, you have a little flap. You see this? You see this? You see there is no extra flap? You see there is no extra flap? I don't like the double flap. I think it's just something I don't like. So I really love when it's just one flap. You open your thing, tac, tac, you are in the bag, and that's it. So, on va vider ça. Alors, so we open the bag, and we have the bag here. I was pretty happy because the bag is white and it's pretty clean inside, and it's a good point for it. So you have the main pocket, then you have a zip pocket here, and another pocket here. That can be good for paper or masks. This bag is from Chanel, made in France. And as I said before, I have the stickers and starts with 453. I was right before. And yeah, I think this bag for its age, so middle 90s, it looks really, really good. Of course, there is some wrinkles at the back. Let me just try to move. Okay, so we will have a better idea. You see, we have some wrinkles at the back, but otherwise the bag looks really, really nice. I have no problem, to just take it and just go out. Of course, we can say this is not a new design, and this was why I almost didn't buy it, because it reminds me a little bit like a grandmother's bag. You know what I mean? Like your grandmother is going to the grocery shopping to buy some carrots and cucumbers. This kind of bags. But at the same time, it's what make this bag so special. And because it's different, I know I'm not going to see someone in the street with it, maybe a grandmother, and I will be like, oh my god, we are twinning, mommy. And yeah, mami in Spanish it's like a sexy girl, but in French it's like grandmother. So just let's make it clear. And yeah, I almost didn't buy the bag, but when I saw the price, I was like, girl, if you don't buy it, you will regret it. This bag cost me between $650 and $700. I don't remember. I bought it on the website vinted.fr, which is a website where private people like you and me, it's like not for the sellers, like professional sellers, it's what I'm trying to say, can sell like from H&M and no branded things to Chanel, Hermes and Louis Vuitton. And I found this bag there. It came from Germany, and I had to ship it to my godmother's house in France because I live in Switzerland, and Vinted doesn't ship to Switzerland because we are not in Europe. Well, complicated stuff, but so it was in Germany and I shipped it to France, and I got it like 3 months after because I didn't want to ship it to my house, so I just had to wait, whatever. And yeah, so when I saw the price was like so affordable, it was like such a big deal, I was like, girl, just go for it because you will regret. And also because I only have one white Chanel bag, which is my Diana bag, and this poor little thing is my only leather white bag. So during summer I wear it at least once per week, and I don't take care of my bags. I wear my bags, I try to love them, but I just wear them. And of course it has a lot of wear on it, so I just wanted to find another one to rotate, to give some break to my Diana, and then have another one. Of course I would still love to find a classic flap in the medium size. It's my favorite size, by the way. And yeah, to have the classic flap in white, because I think it's just amazingly beautiful. I regret every single day that I didn't buy a white classic vintage Chanel bag in the medium size, while I still have the time to do it. Now it's a little bit too late, one because I don't know, they disappeared. There's a lot of people that really wanted a white Chanel bag, and when you find it, the price is just like, no, just too expensive, and ça va pas, c'est too much for me, too much for my pocket. So this one for 700, with this design. I just, you know, had to go for it. I think I can actually wear it crossbody. Yes, I will do some mud shots, but definitely I can. And yeah, I think this was a really nice purchase. What do you guys think about it? So guys, I hope you guys liked it, and as my first unboxing for my coming back, and I hope you guys will like what is coming next. This one is, I would say, the most basic one. Désolée, hein, mais I have to be honest. Because I have some amazing finds to share with you. So if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I see you in my next video. Gros bisous, à très bientôt. Bye!